Hello, everybody. Good evening. My name is David, of course, and this is Simple Smartphone Solutions. So, very quickly, I want to show you how to use the simple the OCR. The OCR, that's the optical character recognition. And the first thing you want to do is get a mobile app for it. This time around, we're going to be using text scanner. Of course, there are many options online, and there are also options for PCs, more sophisticated on PCs because and PCs are used for this more than mobile phones, and for desktop computers, those kind of things. So the first thing you want to do is open up that mobile app. Open up the mobile app for it, and I have a notebook here, and I wrote something. I said, good evening. Let me read it for you. Good evening. My name is David. This is one of my handwritings. I have plenty of handwritings. You are welcome to the Simple Smartphone. It's a bit blurry. Solutions. Thank you. So, what if I want to change this to digital form and I don't want to type? Is it possible? Is it possible? Let's see. So all I have to do is take a photograph of it from the scanning app. Press that center button. Processing and processing and processing and processing, and voila. So let's see. Oh, it also took a picture of the book that was on top. So as you can see, it's not very accurate, is it? That's why I told you at this point OCR is not very accurate with human handwriting. Hence, you have to edit a bit. So this was supposed to be good evening. All these ones were from the other textbook. So my name is David. This wasn't there. And this is phone. And then of course this is this. Good evening, my name is David. You're welcome to the Simple Smart Phone Solutions. Thank you. And save. That's it. But it gets better. It gets better when you use a standard font, a standard recognized computer font. So let me use one stone and kill two birds. Let me show you how it is done on web apps, not on mobile apps, now on web app. So we'll go to the website, and we'll go to online OCR.net and see what it got for us. Okay, online OCR.net. Now I'm gonna take this one. You need to take a picture. So I have a textbook here, Chemical Engineering by Octave Living Spell. Yeah, that's my course. So let's say I want to type out some pages of this book. Now you can photocopy if you need to photocopy and read, but let's say you want it in digital form and you want to edit it and you want it in Microsoft Word format for some reason or the other. Maybe you want to change the form or do something with it digitally that will not be possible with photocopying. What do? You take a picture of where you want to work on mixing of two miscible fluids. Okay, you just take a picture of it. Not very good, that's blurry. Take a clearer one. Okay, now this is a standard font. This is not handwriting, it's standard computer recognized font, so it will do way better than handwriting. So you come here, select file, you go to where you took it from, in gallery, your camera, okay, select it, and then it begins to load. As you can see here, it begins to load, processing and all that, or loading rather. Finish loading, you convert. Okay, and now it's processing. and when it's done, you get it here. See that? I think I had an old one there, so okay, the one that was above. So you see that missing of two miscible fluids, they're very accurate, no much mistake. But of course, you still need to edit it if necessary. OCR can also be used to locate keywords in a textbook. Let's say you want to locate a particular word. You don't have to read through the textbook. You just snap it, OCR it, copy that. Now, when it comes like this, now you just come here. Okay, you copy it, then paste it in Microsoft Word and press Ctrl F. Ctrl F is find. It will find any word. It will open up a box and you can find any particular word. So many things you can do, so many options. So just check online and see uses of OCR. Some use it to identify cards, ID cards. Some use it to read meter. So many possibilities. Some even use it to control traffic in developed countries. So that's about OCR. Just this is a prelim, an introduction to OCR. All right.